Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about an important AI tool that lets you create a prompt from your video. For example, if I open ChatGPT and then click on plus button, here you can see I can attach image, but I don't have option to add the video. So there is another tool that lets you add video and create a prompt. Here you can type Qwen Chat. This one. You can open this website. And now let me show you. I have a demo video here. This one. Okay, now let me upload this video here. And now let me type describe this video. After that press enter and you will get all of the detail that is available in this video. It works like a prompt. Okay, all the detail is here. Now simply you can copy it and then you can use any of the AI video generator tool. For example, let me type Gemini and then here you can select the video option. Here you can see I have a free plan, that's why I'm not getting here video option. So if I go here and try to use any other tool, this one, then let me log in, continue with Google and let me select one of my Google account, then allow access. And now let me fill out these options. So I can add here this prompt. Let me scroll down, remove this one and add that prompt here. Then click here run button. Here you can select the aspect ratio. Now it will generate a video from this prompt that we have generated using this tool. So guys, here you can see a similar video is ready. You can simply export it and save it in your laptop.